Okay, we're going to demonstrate the bite controller. So basically, I'm not going to actually bite it because it's not for me. But the way it works is you've got throttle, and then as soon as I push this button, without letting off the throttle on the controller, it'll bring it down to an idle instantly. And then when you let off on it, it'll go back to whatever your position is on your throttle. So here we go. So I'm going. Bite control off. Going. Bite control off. That's how it works.